Hello guys, Richard from Evergreen here. We're at our lovely client's Lauriston House to install a giant tree. So we started doing these a few years ago. There's not many people in Australia that do them, certainly for outdoors. So you can see here that the wedding venue at Lauriston House, they've had one here for about 10 years or so. So it's done quite well. We didn't install this one. It's actually an LED outdoor tree with a fiberglass trunk, but in the recent weather, it hasn't lasted very well. And so with new weddings coming in, they want to change it up. So we've had one custom made for it. It's a 6-foot outdoor ficus tree with lots of fiberglass branches and a fiberglass trunk. You can have them real if you want, but not so suitable for outdoors with the weather. And this one actually has real branches on it with lots and lots of leaves. So it's 6 meters high. It's going to be taller than this, and it'll be at least 6 meters wide as well. So look forward to showing you the steps that we use to get this up. We've got to get rid of this one first, and we'll show you the final result soon. We finally got rid of the tree over here. Took us a lot longer than we thought. Now just clearing the concrete slab. If you haven't got a slab pre-installed like this one is, you'd have to do that in most circumstances to get a tree this size in place, just to make sure it's safe. And it gets dyno bolted into the ground with chem set as well. So yeah, we'll get that cleared and we'll start the process of installing the new one. More to come. So, existing tree's gone, slab's been cleaned, ready to go. We now got to get the tree out. So all of our leaves and secondary branches are all set, ready to go on the floor. We've just got to get the big boy out now. So for a 6 meter tree, you need a significant base plate, which is going to hold the structure in place. Holes ready to go for all the bolts. Inside here, you won't be able to see, but this steel material goes all the way to the top of this. There's a good probably 3 meters of solid steel tubing, and then everything else attaches to that. So next job is to get this off safely, into place, measure the holes, and then we'll be set to go. As I told you before, the tree has been removed, that'll be disposed of. The next job was to get the main trunk of the tree and the plate out safely of the van and install onto the concrete slab, which we washed and cleaned earlier. So we've done that now, and we've also chem set our 160mm anchor studs in there as well. So they're setting as we speak. We'll use bolts underneath the plate to level it, make sure it's flat, and then bolts again on top to secure it. Once this is in, we'll then get all the other parts, the branches, the twigs, the leaves, all on, and I'll check back in to show you that piece then. Hi guys, Richard Woods from Evergreen again, here at Lauriston House. We're nearly finished now. As you can see, the tree is fully erected and up safely. It looks amazing. To be honest, putting the tree up took less time than taking the old one down. You can see we've bolted the tree down, we've leveled it off, all of the major branches have gone in, they look completely seamless, and then the real twig branches have gone on the end of those. And there you go, a 6 meters outdoor ficus tree installed today in a matter of hours for Lauriston House wedding venue. Thanks a lot.